dining room right now, and this is the way to my backyard. I'm going to do this vlog style, and I haven't even cleaned up anything, so this is raw footage. I mean, I really wish I had cleaned everything up and lit candles and all of that, but honestly that's just not me. So I'm just showing you the way my house looks, the way my home looks regularly on an everyday basis. So yeah, this is an overview of my backyard, the place that we've put in a lot of effort in, because there was nothing over here. I'll try to pull out a picture of how it used to look once upon a time when we, just took over this house, and then you can see the after. So there is a little bit of an improvement, and I'm sure you can tell. So this is what my backyard basically looks like. This is the entire backyard, and I'm going to take you along a few things here and there. Now I'm going to show you some of my DIY projects. These benches, we got them made using some iron rods. Venki bought this planter for me from a nursery along with the plants. I'm absolutely obsessed with the tiny little arrowhead plants over here. I love arrowheads in general, but these miniature ones are something that I absolutely love. And I also like the spider plants that you see beneath them, and they are beautiful indoor plants. And it wouldn't have been cheap to do this entire wall with it, but this entire wall was in a very bad state, as you can already tell, even this wall. So I just covered this wall up with those palms, those high palms, because they just add so much greenery and they just cover the wall. If you can see all over there, we had a lot of seepage and discoloration on the wall. I didn't want the view from this gazebo to be this wall, so I just covered it up using plants. These planters we made out of paint boxes, and this entire panel over here we made out of discarded wooden boxes. And we just bought a few planters to hang in there, and a few other planters, the gold and silver planters that you see, those are the ones that came along with all the plants that we got from the nursery, and we just painted them gold and silver and we hung them there using hooks. Now some of these planters have plants and some of them don't, because I'm just waiting for the monsoon to come and go, after which I can plant everything. One of my absolute favorite DIYs is this light over here. I had this piece of wood from when the carpenter got this piece for my center table, but I didn't want to use this piece. I wanted metal legs for my center table, and he got this as a leg piece for my center table, and I just decided to use it here like a light. It provides a lot of lighting, and it's basically winter lighting because these filament bulbs do get a little warm. But I just got these bulbs from an electric store, and I just wrapped them around this wooden piece, and I hung it over here along with the ridge of this, and it looks so beautiful. I absolutely love this DIY. Another one of my favorites is this bar that we made. This bar was made out of a wooden box that we had that was completely broken in transit, and we couldn't use that wooden box as a box anymore, and so I decided to make a beautiful little bar for our outdoor area, something that we can totally carry, and it can even be put indoors if we want. Next up, we have this table over here that I wanted to put for my outdoor seating, and these peg tables that I wanted to use for my outdoor seating. And you won't believe that I went and I bought this granite slab that covered all three of these tables for 800 rupees. I wanted to paint the legs of these tables gold or rose gold because I thought that would really go with everything. But since the chairs that we have are already white, I just left these to be white. I didn't want to add more, and I think they look really pretty. It's a perfect place to have a morning coffee in. Let me not forget to show you the biggest and the cheapest and the most beautiful DIY that got everything together. Yes, I'm talking about this beautiful thing that we call our gazebo. Now this entire frame over here is something that we found completely thrown away and not being used and discarded. So we asked the people who had this if they would want to sell it, and they literally just gave it away to us because they didn't want to use it anymore. They had no use of it. And we got this, and we just got these legs made, and we got these legs put here in our lawn, and we got some fiber sheet. That is all we did, and decorated it, of course. And now it's a beautiful little, I mean, it's not exactly a gazebo, but that's what I'd like to call it. It's my beautiful nook. The last thing I want to show you are these white picket fences, the small little picket fences, which I think are a beautiful addition to this garden because they just give this area such a nice demarcated look. I mean, you know what the garden is, you know that small patch of kitchen garden that's there behind it, and it just adds this beautiful, like, it just pulls everything together. And these are made out of leftover pieces of the wooden crates that we had too, so we didn't really spend a lot of money on this. So you can see that we didn't really spend a lot of money to bring all of this together. So many of these things were, you know, things that we used out of nothing. And so yeah, we just got plants, and those beautiful green plants are a gift from my mother-in-law, and I think they just add so much. Like, I wanted to add so much color over here, so I just put in all those planks. They are plywood that I've basically just painted, and I wanted to paint it all beautiful bright colors, and that's what I've done over here. And I really love this nook now. So this is what the garden basically looks like, and yeah, this is the overview. This is my patch of my kitchen garden, and here I have my happy little curry leaf plant, which I absolutely love. And yes, this is it, you guys. This is a beautiful eucalyptus tree, and that is it. This is home. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.